Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop, unsubscribe, opt out, cancel any MTN services on your phone. So maybe you mistakenly subscribe to any services, any VATs on MTN, or maybe you want to opt out or stop any services on MTN. This video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone like this, and you're going to dial star 305 hash and click on this. So they can say cancel. You can just choose to cancel all activities, all services, sorry, or maybe you just want to cancel one, but you choose on two, and you're going to click on send, and you're going to see this. You currently have one active services. This action will cancel all your vet services. Please reply. If you choose one, you're going to cancel. Click two to exit. So you're going to click on one to cancel, since you want to cancel all the activities, all the services. Click on send, and they're going to tell you that your request is being processed and you will receive a confirmation SMS soon. Thank you. So they're going to send you a SMS. So you can see the SMS right here. They just sent it, and all the services has been opt out, unsubscribed, cancelled, and they have stopped all services running through MTN on your phone. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.